Right, so we launch the app. First of all, what we want to do is we want to do a add installation, and postcode we need is DN22 6QZ. Quick search, and which block is this? This is 1 to 19. So should we go with 1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
UPR.
So that's pulled all that in. It's automatically got your details there. So now add gateway. Oh, we wanted the UPRN. Yeah, missed that. Add gateway in units. Next, add gateway. So we'll click on that, and now it's wanting to scan. So I'll move to the unit. And there we go. It's picked up on the serial number of that straight away. Click on next. Location. We're going to put this.
Same again.
Communal area.
Yeah.
Next. And now he's telling us to put it into house code mode. So literally, see the light comes on solid blue, release that, and it should be saying the light should be flashing rapidly. There we go. Yep, check we've got 1 flash, which we have. So count confirmed. Now I want to add next unit. First of all, I'm going to scan the module. There we go. Got them both. So it's got the model of the alarm, it's got the date code, it's got the module on there. So click on next. All it needs is to tell me is where we're putting the alarm. So communal area again. Next. And now it wants us to put it into house code mode. So what we'll need to do is slide the alarm onto the base. There we go. We've got 2 flashes on there. I want to make sure that we've got 2 flashes on there. So it's saying double check that we've got 2 flashes on both. Count confirmed, and click on finish. And now all it's telling us is just to seal it down. So exit house code mode. Because I can't get to the alarm very clearly, I'll do that here. There we go, and that's sealed as well. Click on next. So uploading that to the cloud. Installation push to cloud. Click on complete, and there we go.
Very good.
So we'll just send another event through. I'll just do a button test. You can see that's illuminated up, sending that signal up to the cloud.
Okay.
So there we go. All done.
Brilliant. Simple.
Simple.